Hello guys, good morning Bohol, good morning Philippines, good afternoon world, good evening everywhere you are. For today's video, magpunta po ako ng Cebu. So see you later guys, bye!
Hey Dita, uya! Wow! Very nice! Sa Bohol. Magsundo ako sa anak ko. Okay. So, dalawang taon din ako. Sa may airport. May airport. Sa bahay? Ay, o doon sa tawag papuntang mga pier. Sa Union, papuntang Union. Alam ko yun. Nasa Mabini kasi ako nag-work. Yung pier.
Bohol, guys. I'm going to wish here. I wish, I wish, I wish. Okay guys, welcome to my channel, Social Elang Room. So na ako'y gamay nga TV, napa ko'y internet. This is a single room ito, kaya ako lang usa. So tomorrow I'm looking for a room na for 3 or 4 family. So ito yung aking hot and cold shower. So this cost 900 pesos. Pero yung family room nila siguro malaki. Walang window, pero okay lang. I'm not claustrophobic. Not like my hubby. So, welcome. So, grabe, nagsingot-singot ko, guys. Mag-charge ako, ha. Then, I proceed to DFA. So, this is my room tour. It's a small room for 1 person. By the way, naa sila. You can eat here through this pension house. Ito yung mga meal nila sa breakfast. So, I hope there is a room for Laura and my pamangkin, but there is no available room for tomorrow and next day. My gosh. So, I look for another room, another hotel again. This is my room. I just arrived here. Happy San Juan Day. San Juan Nandron, 24 June. So, my vlog today is all about going to Cebu. I'll show you my trip from Tagbilaran. Din mga sightseeing, tapos mga nakita din ako sa pier, there is a park, and then now is a happy hotel. So, later mag-room tour ako dito sa 5th floor, if I can, and then I will look for another hotel after my DFA. So, till next time, till next vlog sa akong hotel sa Dani. Bye for now. So guys, niabot na ko sa Park Mall. Ako dahing tuyo is Pacific Mall. Nisakay kong jeep ikas Cathedral. Sayop, madayang luulan tiguang. Giatot. O sakay na ko, ikatulunan na ako ng sakay. Atot. So finally guys, nandito ko sa Park Mall. Sa Pacific Mall. Wala na ko nasaag. Na-mix up na ko ang Pacific Mall o Park Mall. So nagsakay ko og jeep kay gusto ko na makabalob ako kung ansay sakyan pa dong sa kuan sa Pacific Mall. So dito ko sa Cathedral nagsakay ganina. So ako di ay pag-ingon ako nga layo pa ang Park Mall. So gipanaog na ko sa driver kay layo na nilapas na daw ko. Ang ako ding tuyo na ko is Pacific Mall. So nasayop ang ko ang pag-istorya. So karon na nako diri sa ipadong nako sa babaw. So finally guys, nandito na naman ako sa SM. So my day today is roughed it up from pier to my hotel. Then from my hotel, I take the jeep to kanang kuan to Gaisano. Then I walk to the cathedral and took the jeep going to the Pacific Mall. But I mixed up. I asked for Park Mall, so I stopped and go to Park Mall, but I mixed up with Pacific Mall. So grabe ang aking lakaw guys. Dito na po ko sa Park Mall, dito na po ko sa Pacific Mall, naroon na ako sa SM. Ay nako, karon magsuroy-suroy na ako diri guys. Enjoy akong shopping diri, patug bag, palit ko og mga blouse siguro. So see you guys sa aking tour dito sa SM. So guys, na ako dito sa mga favorite nga mga section guys. The bag section, charot shoe section. Kasukaan ko sa kumbana basta na ako diri nga area. This is is my place, guys. So that's the entrance there. And that's the building itself. I'm going to buy a barbecue now. Thank you. So I went out to eat some Filipino food, barbecue. So at 5 o'clock, I was eating this avocado, but I didn't eat all, only half. I'm afraid I have diarrhea. And I ate some of this rambutan and mango. I will eat mango now after I eat my barbecue outside, just across my pension house. So that's the ground floor. This is the second floor. And this is the third floor. And so taas, I cannot go to the rooftop. But at least you can see outside in every floor. It's nice. It's a nice place. I wanna go up there now. I go to my room. So this is their carinderia or restaurant, but I think they will not serve breakfast. I asked them. So this is my room. So see you. So I'm in the darkness now. I'm going to put this. Hola! Magic! Kasabog ang aking room. So that ends my day today.